Hello everyone, today I will show you how to underline text in Google Sheet. Open your Google Sheet and drag your mouse, select your cell you want to make text underline. Now select format option and select a text option, and here you will find this underline option. So we select underline and see this text are now underline. Also I'll make this text underline, format option and text option. Here you will find this underline option and see this. Also I'll make this column, click on this column serial number and select. I'll make this text underline, text and underline. In this way you can make all of this text underline or a specific text or cell. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.